Hi there, Rob Green here, FSW UK. Welcome to the studio, and in this video you join me as I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new range of Fieldpiece analog manifolds. Okay, so we've got 6 in the range, which is basically 3 3-port manifolds or two-way manifolds and 3 4-port manifolds, again, or 4-way. Okay, 3 different options. You basically got a fridge analog manifold, an air conditioning manifold, and you've got a hydrocarbon manifold as well. Okay, let's start with the fridge manifold in the two-way or the 3-port, which does 134, 404, 407 and 448A. So the 4-way one mirrors those refrigerants as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the 2-way first. Let me just need to slice this bit of sellotape on you. And let's get this open. Let's see what we think. Right, okay, so we've got a fairly standard blow molded PVC case that looks relatively sturdy, in fairness. We've got a little sticker on the front which tells you the model of the manifold and the refrigerants contained within. So the GS334C is the 3-port and the GS434C is the 4-port. Okay, fairly straightforward. Now, if we open the case up, there's no lines in here, nothing at all. So I'm disappointed in that aspect of it, that I wish when you're buying a new manifold, I do like to see that it comes with a set of lines and red, yellow and blue lines and the vacuum line as well. Okay, it tends to be an American thing where they don't supply the hoses or the refrigerant hoses with the manifolds. Okay, but I would have liked to have seen that because I think it's important. Taking that aside, let's have a look at the quality of the manifold itself. Okay, so if we take the two-way manifold out and let's have a look at the manifold itself. It's quite heavy, really well made by the look of it, and really nice quality rubber boot or protective housing on there. Let's have a look at that in the close-up camera. See that there? Really nice looking manifold, superb quality. Let's have a look at the back. So you can just see how well it's protected from the rigors of daily use. Got a nice little manifold hook on the top that folds away and clicks away on that little rubber gripper on there to keep it from flapping about. From what I can gather, the manifold block in both the 3-port and the 4-port is exactly the same as they use on the S-Man manifolds, the 3 and the 4-port digital manifolds. Okay, so we know the quality is good on those, no problem at all. There's another feature on here that I want to show you, which is a pressure marker. Have a listen to this. See how that's ratcheting? So you can turn it, basically you would want to be doing it more on the high side, to set it to whatever pressure you want, because there's a little marker there. And then you can, let me get that in a bit closer, see him there? So you've got that little guide. Apologies, it's reflecting a little bit. Okay, but nice quality, really nice. I do like them. And obviously you've got your pressures in bar only, are they? Or are they bar and PSI? The 50, 50, 50. It looks as if it's bar and, yeah, it is. So we got up to 35 bar. And 500 psi on the low side on this particular one, and then 800 psi and bar. So that's a nice little touch. You've got both pressures there, a few engineers working in both. Okay, that's the 2-way. Nice quality, really nice quality. Let's put that to the side. Let's take different manifold in the 4-way. Let's have a look at the air conditioning manifold. So this one, what are we looking at? R22. R32, 410A and 454B. Okay. Again, same principle on the 4-way manifold. Same case, same style of case. Okay. And obviously we've got, let's get this right in so you can have a look at this bad boy. Okay. Like I said, really nice quality, great build quality, fair play to Fieldpiece. You can just see that now on the very top. You've got low and you've got high. Why they thought the need was to do that, I've no idea. Because if you don't know whether the high and low side is on a manifold, then there's something wrong. I mean, the dead giveaway is the blue for the low and the red for the high, okay? But yeah, really nice. Both models, they've got these rubberized knobs on them. Good quality. Feel good quality. Yeah, nice. Really nice and sturdy by the look of it, yeah. On the 4-port, you've obviously got your 3/8 port, you've got your low side, you've got your high side, and then you've got your vac connections from your 3/8 port, and then your refrigerant section there, okay? So, yeah, I like that. It's really nice. And, I mean, they are quality. They feel really heavy. Okay, you can hear that. And they feel as if they're going to take a beating. You wouldn't want to drop it on a regular basis like I've just done there, but gives you some idea of the build quality of these manifolds. Right, that's the manifold. There's not a lot to an analog manifold, basically. What I want to show you is that, let's see how the Fieldpiece gauge lines fit in the case and the Fieldpiece 3/8 by 3/8 vac hose. I mean, you don't need Fieldpiece gauge lines. You could put your original ones if they're any good, but let's just do it as if we've got a full nice new Fieldpiece kit, because if you're going to buy this, you might want to buy the vac hose and the Fieldpiece set. So what I've got here is the Fieldpiece red, yellow and blue lines with ball valves, okay? So we're going to endeavour to put them into here. Now, there'll obviously be a technique for this. So let's put the ball valves down in out of the way. Come on here, buddy. Okay, right. Bit of a tight fit. Okay, look at that. So I got the ball valves pushed into this cover on the bottom. Yeah. So I've left a bit of gap. So as this gap here closes or doesn't get obstructed with the hoses onto the manifold knobs on the front. Okay, so that's good. And this will give, I would have thought, over a period of time. So let's try, stay there, the vac hose. So this is a 1.5 meter vac hose, okay? And it sits obviously in the bottom. We've got a gap for it. You wouldn't get it into the top. So let's stretch this to the right size. Put that in there. Okay. So, you can see that in there now. Okay. See if we can close it. Come on. Sorry. It's just popping that bit out at the top. Let's see if we can get that. There we go. Let's get that top hose in. Perfect. There we go. I got to be honest, they're really good quality. I do genuinely like these Fieldpiece analog manifolds. You know, they're not cheap. You can buy JVac, Value, Navtech manifolds, cheaper with hoses, with 3 hoses and a vac hose. But if you're a Fieldpiece fan, I don't think they're disappointed. They've made a good quality analog manifold that they can really be proud of, I think. So yeah, there they are. They're available from FSW in the UK. In every branch they're stocked, and they're also available on the FSW UK website, so you can get them next day delivery if you're not near a branch at all. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that short little video. I'll see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.